In this video, we are building on our knowledge from the earlier part of the lesson. If you need to, go back and check out the video on the first set of examples in this lesson. Now let's take a look at this grid. We have another Cartesian grid, but this time it looks a little different. That's because we have extended the x-axis into the negative numbers, and we've extended the y-axis down into the negative numbers as well. So previously we just had this quarter, and we call that the positive quadrant. We were only dealing with positive values on the x-axis and positive values on the y-axis. Now you'll see we have 4 quadrants. We have what we had before, and then we've got this one over here, then we've got this quadrant, and then we've got this quadrant down here. Apart from that, the principle of writing down coordinates and plotting coordinates is exactly the same. The negative numbers just indicate that we're moving in the opposite direction from what we were before. Let's take a look at this first bit. We need to write down the coordinates of the points I, J, K, L, and M. So I is over here. Starting from the origin, we need to move 5 squares to the left. Now, 5 squares to the right would give us an x-coordinate of 5, but because we are moving to the left, we are getting into the negative end of the number line. And you can see here that the x-coordinate is actually -5. Next, we need to decide how high up we've gone, and you'll see that from the origin, we haven't actually gone up or down at all. So the y-coordinate is 0. Let's have a look at J. Starting from the origin, we need to go 1, 2, 3, 4 squares to the left, and then 6 squares down. Now, 4 squares to the left takes us to -4 on the x-axis. So that would be our x-coordinate. 6 squares down takes us to -6. So the coordinates of that point are -4, -6. The negative numbers indicate that from the origin we have gone to the left and then down. Compare that with this point here, L. We'd be going to the right and up, and that would give us coordinates of +1, +4, like we saw in the previous video. Pause this video now and have a go at writing down the coordinates of K and M. Here are the answers. K is at 0, -4. From the origin, we don't need to go across at all, but we do need to go down 4 steps, which takes us to -4 on the y-axis. M has coordinates 4, -5. Next, we've got to plot and label the points N, O, and P. First of all, N is at -3, 2. So, starting from the origin, we need to go to -3 on the x-axis, and then up to 2. So we would be plotting N here. O is at 3, 0. So 3 is the x-coordinate. That means we need to go 3 across. +3 means we're going towards the right. And then the 0 tells us we're going 0 squares up. So the point O would be marked there. Finally, the point P at -2, -3. -2 is the x-coordinate, so we go across to -2, and then we need to go down to -3, which is the y-coordinate. So P would be here.